Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers counting. Kids colors name. Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. Brown color. Green color. Yellow color. Kids, now we're coloring numbers. Kids, first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. O-N-E 1. It's again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W 2. Kids, now it 3. The numbers of 3. And use blue color. The numbers of 3. Kids, again use blue color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. Kids, again use blue color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. Kids, now it 6. The numbers of 6. And use brown color. The numbers of 6. 7. The numbers of 7. And again use brown color. Kids, now 8. The numbers of 8. And use yellow ochre color. The numbers of 8. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. It's now 11. The numbers of 11. And use yellow color. The numbers of 11. And use yellow color. It's again use yellow color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. It's now 13. The numbers of 13. And use green color. It's again use green color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. It's again use green color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. It's now 16. The numbers of 16. And use red color. 17. The numbers of 17. And again use red color. It's now 18. The numbers of 18. And use yellow ochre color. The numbers of 80. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 90. The numbers of 90. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 20. Lastly, draw 20. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.